Hi there, my name is Sam and you can now control the quality of images with an instant. Sometimes you want an image to have a very high resolution. Or when it comes to, for example, thumbnails, you want to render the images smaller for optimal speed of your pages and sections. When an image is selected, as it is right here, you can now go to Quality and then you can select an option from the drop-down menu. Auto is the default setting which will automatically determine at what quality to render the image. Thumbnail is the smallest setting, which for example is nice to select for image thumbnails in a product gallery. When we click on thumbnail, you will also see that the quality of the image is now lower. Then the ranges go all the way to ultra large. However, in most cases you don't need to go beyond large. Now when selecting this, you can also see that the quality of the image is way higher. By default, you don't need to change any of these settings, as we already optimized the image quality depending on the viewport. But there might be cases where you would want more control, with for example highlighting a large product image of a piece of jewelry which contains a lot of details that are important to see. And that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for more product updates.